Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I do have a little technique how-to video, and this is basically how I make my lashes look very unclockable. That is the word we're using today. And basically how this came about is because a lot of people always ask me if my lashes are lash extensions or if these are my real lashes, and I always wondered why they asked that, and it's because you can't see the band of the lashes on my eyes because I do have a little technique that I use every single time I put my lashes on. So I want to go ahead and share them with you guys. And I do want to mention, if you are wearing eyeliner, this trick won't work for it at all, and you will see why later on. But because once you draw your eyeliner on, it's gonna be a straight line, but once you use my technique, kind of like makes it a little bit, you know, disformed, if that's the best word to use. I don't know, but y'all will see why later on why it's like that. So you want to go ahead and see how I do this technique, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer, that way y'all can see like what I'm really doing on my eyes. And first, when it comes to your lashes, you want to make sure that your lashes aren't too big for your eyes, because a lot of times when they come in the packaging and whatnot, once you put it on your eyes, it's a little bit too big. But for me, I don't have that issue. They usually fit me perfectly once I put them on. But if they're too big for your lashes, make sure to cut them at the end of the lashes, not the beginning part of your lashes, the end part. That way it fits your eyes perfectly, because that's so important, you guys, when it comes to lashes. Like, trust me. But the lashes that I'm using today is the Samantha number 7 lashes, and these are from Huda Beauty. I love these so much. They're so nice and fluffy, and they're very natural on the eyes also. So the first step to a flawless lash application is to use eyeliner. I know you guys are probably thinking, what is the point of using eyeliner? But it hides the spaces between the lashes, and it doesn't allow any skin to show. Basically, it makes it look, you know, all black and just like one color, because I hate to see my natural skin color pop through when I'm wearing my lashes. That way people can tell that you're wearing lashes, and that's not what we're going for. So I always go in first with some eyeliner. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Flyliner, and I'm just drawing it very close to my lash line. And to be honest, the liner doesn't have to look perfect at all, because at the end I'm going to do a special trick to hide all of this, but it just helps to make sure that your skin doesn't peek through once you put your lashes on. Alright, so next I always go in with some mascara onto my lashes, because I do want them to have like a natural curl to them before I put my lashes on. And then also I want to prolong these lashes right here because they're very expensive, and I don't want to have a lot of mascara onto the lashes themselves. So I always go in first with mascara, and if I need to fix up at the end, I'll put a little bit of mascara, but I don't put too much on them because I do want my lashes to last a very long time. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, and I'm just putting some of these on my lashes, and you don't need too much on them, honestly. You just need a little bit. Okay, so moving on to lash glue, it's very important to have a very nice and good lash glue, because if you don't, your lashes will live throughout the day, and we don't want that to happen to us at all. So a lot of people have their favorite lash glue out there, but my favorite is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is so good, you guys, because it's so cheap and affordable. It's only $2.49, and it lasts all day on my eyes. Like, literally, once I put on my lashes and I put it on my eyes, it doesn't come off throughout the day, which is what I need when it comes to my lashes. So I take a little bit of this glue and I apply it on my lashes, and you really don't need that much glue at all. I just apply like a thin strip of it, and that's it. And I usually wait for about a minute or so for it to get tacky, then I apply it on my eyes. Now, I do know some people want to go ahead and apply their lashes while their glue looks like this, and I'm telling you right now, do not do that, because it will not stick at all into your lashes. Give it like a minute or so, and it should be good to go. So it's time to put the lashes onto the eyes, and there's 3 things you need. You need a small mirror, a tweezer, and your lashes, of course. And I do have my little mirror right here, and basically what I do is I go ahead and grab the lashes, and this is what they're supposed to look like once they're dry. It really doesn't have any more white onto it, like it's almost like dry completely. So I know it's time to put it on my eye. Now, I know some people use their hands or any other method to put their lashes onto their eyes. For me, I need some good old tweezers, because if I don't have these, I can't put it where I want to. So I basically grab a mirror and I look down into the mirror. So basically I'm facing down right now, and I'm gonna take the lashes right on top and place it close to my lash line. Then I take the outer corner and I lift it and I place it right into the lash line, and then I move on to the front side. So my lashes are on, and I know you guys are probably thinking like, are we done? No, there's one more step that I always do, and basically I take my fingers and I squish my lashes and my lash line together, because when I do that, it makes it very unnoticeable that I have my lashes on. A lot of people always ask me like, do you have lash extensions or anything like that? And I'm like, no, I just have a little trick that I do. So I take my fingers and I just squish these two together. So my lashes are finally on, and basically the goal is to do this. Like once you put your lashes down, you can't see the band at all. Literally all you see is skin on your lash line and nothing else, which is the goal. So that is how I get my lashes to look very unclockable. All right, so I do hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I know it's very short, but I want to go ahead and get to the point and show you guys how I make my lashes to look very natural. Like they're basically my lashes, but they're really not at the same time. So if you guys do try this out, please let me know down below, because I want to know about your results and if you guys do like this technique. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. So I love you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next one.